Today, I'll show you how to update your Calendly meeting location so your invitees always know exactly where to meet you. Whether you've switched from in-person meetings to video calls or you're just standardizing everything to Zoom or Google Meet, keeping this setting up to date will help avoid confusion and no-shows. Let's start from your main Calendly view, often called your home dashboard. This is where you see all of your event types like 15-minute calls, 30-minute consultations, or longer sessions. From here, find the specific event type whose location you want to change. Take a moment to double check you're selecting the right one, especially if you have several that look similar. Once you've found it, click the edit button for that event type. This opens the settings for that particular event where you control what invitees see when they book time with you. Think of this page as the control center for that one kind of meeting. Inside the event editor, look for the event details section. This is usually where you manage things like the event name, description, duration, and of course the location. Go ahead and click into event details to expand it. If you've never explored this area in depth, it's a good chance to quickly scan what's there because anything in this section will shape your guests' experience when they schedule with you. Within event details, find the location field. This is the setting that tells Calendly where the meeting will actually take place. It might currently say something like Zoom, Google Meet, phone call, in-person meeting, or even a custom link or address. This is what shows up on the confirmation page and in the calendar invite your guests receive. Next to the location field, you'll see an edit icon, usually shown as a small pencil. Click that pencil icon to change your current location setting. This will open a drop-down or a small menu of location options. This step is important because Calendly uses this information to generate the correct links or display the right address in your event invitations. From the drop-down, select the new option you want to use. Common choices include Zoom, Google Meet, or a physical location. If you choose a video conferencing tool like Zoom or Google Meet, Calendly can automatically generate unique meeting links for each booking, as long as your accounts are connected in your integrations. If you choose a physical location, you can type in a full address or a simple description like office conference room. You might also see an option to add a custom link, which is helpful if you use another meeting platform or a specific meeting room URL. Take a moment after selecting your new location to confirm it looks correct. This is what your invitees will rely on, so it's worth a quick double check. Once you're satisfied with your choice, look for the Save option in the editor and click it to apply your changes. Saving is crucial here. If you close the page or navigate away without saving, Calendly will keep your old location settings. After saving, your updated location will automatically apply to all new bookings for that event type. You're now set up with the correct meeting place, and your guests will see the right details every time they schedule with you.